This video we're going to answer how to catch multiple Python exceptions in one line in an except block. And this has to be by far the simplest video I've made. There is only one way to do it in Python 3, and it's to pass in a tuple, which is using parentheses to create a tuple, not a list, which would be square brackets. Okay, so here I'm just going to be a little bit cute. I'm going to import choice from random. I'm going to pick one or two, and then I'm going to have different disasters dividing, one by B, which is a type error, you can't do that, or 1 by 0, which is 0 division error. Now, in my except, I put a tuple together of both type error and 0 division error, and then I say, hey, some bad stuff happened. So here we go. Division by 0, unsupported, so it caught both of them. It's that simple. Hey, hit like down below. It helps me build an audience. And be sure to subscribe if you hadn't. I'm going to keep doing these videos. Thank you.